how to contact Hilton Honor support from the help center. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you need support from the Hilton's help center? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. You need to go to your browser, go to the Hilton Honors page and scroll down to the very bottom, and there you can see help center. So just tap on it and a new page will load up, and here you can search for the help articles, or you can just go through the popular articles. And when you tap on it, you will get various other categories that you can choose from, and there you can find various FAQs. You can just tap on it and get answers to your questions. So there you can just scroll down and read through it all, or you can go to chat with us. If none of these are helpful, you can just tap on it, and then you can chat with the Hilton Digital Assistant and they will answer all of your questions. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.